Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to Ikea and I'm going to take you guys with me. So if you want to see what I got, then stick around. So this is the wall that I'm looking for, maybe something to hang right here. This is where I do most of my filming, and I just find that it's so empty behind me, so I want to look for something for there. And this is the coffee table that I'm trying to find something for. As you can see right now, it's pretty plain. I just have a mat and then my remotes and then just a little notebook that I have there. So hopefully I find something today. Yeah, so I put my mask on, but I put it on the wrong side first. This is why you can see all my lip gloss on there. Oh, it's very nice.
And this could fit like in a trailer. You know those like containers?
I think she's enjoying dragging this bag around. I didn't even know these Ikea bags came with wheels now. So now we're just walking around trying to find another one of our items. We were told that it's in the office department, so we're gonna walk all the way back from where we came and see if we can find it. So it should be here. Where? Oh, I think so. Yeah. So there's white, pink, blue, and I can't remember the other color.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this is the smaller one. So we're looking for the pink one. I think it's over there on that wall. Here it is.
I can't travel with this.
I thought it was...
I'm not gonna travel with this.
I thought it was smaller. Oh my god.
What's the same color tonight? Wasn't it $3?
No, but it's on sale. It should be on sale. I guess it's just for in the house then. Okay, so this is it. Is it? It's 19.
Same number?
It should be. Okay, thank you.
The product number, is it right?
I think so.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. If you want to grab like them, it would be downstairs though.
Okay, thank you. So this is it.
And that's it.
Yeah. But it was kind of big.
In the picture, I thought it would have been smaller. Kind of like every time I look for trays for myself, they're always too small.
Really? I know. Now this one is huge.
I think it's better that it's bigger than
Yeah.
most of them don't fit like a plate comfortably and like a cup, right?
But I was thinking of putting it on my coffee table, and I was gonna put the remotes and maybe coasters
right.
or
So you
something.
would
So I didn't find anything for this wall, but I'll probably try HomeSense. But one random item that I did pick up that I saw online was this. I guess you would call it a laptop holder. It's actually pretty big. It's 16.5 inches wide and it was on sale for $2.99. Okay, so now let's see what I got for my coffee table. I got these glass tea light pots and they were only 49 cents each. I love the design and the shape of it, and for something that's so inexpensive, it actually doesn't feel or look cheap at all. Next, I got the tea lights to put in the tea light pots, and this flavor, I don't know what it's called, but it's just a picture for cake, so maybe it's called cake, but it smells so good. Y'all don't even understand, but anyways, it comes in a pack of 30 and it was $3.99. Next, I just got these Cork Coasters because I wanted to try them, but they come in a pack of 4 and they were $2.99. So I also picked up this mini flower pot. It was $1.99 and it's a very hard plastic. It actually comes in a white and also a gray, but the white was all sold out, so I decided to go with the gray. Then the next thing I got was this really pretty artificial orchid plant. It was $9.99, but I feel like it was worth it because for some strange reason, I can't take care of real plants. I don't know if they're not getting enough sunlight or if I'm giving them too much water or not enough water, but for some reason they just always die. So at least I know that these will last forever. So the last item that I got was this gold tray and it was $19.99. It also comes in silver for those of you who might prefer silver. So I bought this because I love the color and also because it was large enough to fit all the things that I wanted to put in it and not look too crowded. So that being said, the only thing I don't like about this is that it scuffs very easily. So you can just see my fingerprint from where I was holding it and some other little marks, but I mean, once you wipe it, then it's fine. So now I'm just gonna put everything together and show you what it looks like. So I didn't know which one I liked more, if I preferred it with or without the gold mat. But you guys can let me know which one you prefer or which item you like. But unfortunately, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe.